Hi everybody, you're back in Stephanie's Kitchen, and thank you everyone for subscribing and following me and doing what you guys do, and I appreciate that. So I'm going to keep doing what I do as long as you guys like my content. Thank you. So today I'm going to make some coleslaw, and I'm hoping this recipe comes out before the 4th of July. It's now in June and I'm usually like a month behind, so hopefully it's going to come out before the 4th of July. I'm making coleslaw, so for the 4th of July, for you guys who want to make something for your barbecue or whatever you have, and when all your friends and family come over, because I'm going to remake this for my barbecue. So this is what I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, so right now I have already used my my mixer. I mean my food processor. So, and I shredded up a small head of cabbage, and I also shredded up a half a head of red cabbage, and I kind of shredded up some one onion, okay? And all the stuff that I'm saying, by the way, will be a link at the bottom, so you guys could know, you guys will see how I did this. But I shredded everything up in the food processor to be, make this a little bit faster. Now I'm going to actually mix up what will go into this this coleslaw. Okay, so first of all, of course, I have mayonnaise. So here's my mayonnaise. This much mayonnaise I'm putting in there, and I think it should be okay. Enough. Okay, there's my mayonnaise. Of course, it's full fat mayonnaise. Good mayonnaise, Hellmann's mayonnaise is what I use. Okay, and then I'm going to add in, this is some buttermilk and some regular milk. And I'm going to add that in to this mixture. And then I have some lemon juice and some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to pour that into this mixture. And I'm also going to pour in this is my onions that I shredded up a little bit, pulverized them. I got them in here. And let's see. Okay, I'm going to put in some celery seed. And I'm going to put in some black pepper, to taste. Put a bit of black pepper in here. I don't know, maybe about a tablespoon black pepper for us. Because cabbage is actually a really good vegetable to eat, so why not eat something that's good for you? The only thing I'm going to take, I'm going to put some sugar in, but I'm going to try not to put as much as one of the usual recipe says, because I'm trying to cut back on the sugar. So here we go. Put some that in here, and then I am going. This is half a cup of sugar. I'm going to maybe put a half of it, so that'd be a quarter of a cup of sugar in here. And I'm going to mix it up. And you don't want to put everything in it. If you don't want all that sugar in, then you really don't want to put all of it in at the same time. So you want to just mix it all up together and give it a taste. So this is what I'm doing right now. Mix all this up together. This reminded me, because last week I was in a deli with my daughter. We went to a Jewish deli, and they make the best hot dogs and the best coleslaw. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to make some coleslaw. But their coleslaw was, oh my goodness. So New York delis have some of the best coleslaw or hot dogs you want to eat. So I'm going to try to do this like they did it. Maybe I'll get that same taste to this. But it was delicious. I just kept eating it. I didn't even want the hot dog. I wanted the coleslaw. So let me just get this all mixed up nice, and I'm going to give it a taste. So we see it's all mixed up here. I believe I got everything I need in here. There's not a lot of ingredients. You want to have that nice taste to it. Okay, let me just give it a taste from here. Honestly, I think it needs a little more sugar. It does really. It really does. So it might need the whole half a cup. I think I'll just put it in here. I do have a little more cabbage, and everything is a little bit bigger than what the recipe has, so I want it to be right. So I used all the sugar. You guys can use you know, that sugar that with that blue stuff, pink stuff, whatever, that artificial thing that you guys like to use. If you like to use it, I just don't like to use that stuff ever. So I just use sugar. Just eat less. But I like sugar when possible. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Give it a taste again. Good. Yep, it needed that. It definitely needed that sugar. All right, now. So this is the mixture that I'm going to put on my coleslaw. Here is my coleslaw. This is, like I said, one small head of cabbage shredded, and half a head of red cabbage shredded, and a small bag of those baby carrots shredded. That's all that's really in here. Nothing but healthiness, all different colors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this bigger bowl, hopefully, because I need a bigger bowl. That's why I'm going to make this for the 4th of July, because these people that will be coming to my house, my family and friends, will probably love this. And the thing is, I'm working the day before, so I need to do something kind of quick. And I can do this a few days before, have it in the refrigerator, and it'll be ready when everybody wants to eat some. So first, of course, I'm going to just mix this all together. Mix it nice so it's all these colors are together. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful, all these colors. Look at that. When you see colors, you know you're eating some healthy stuff, because there's all different kind of colors up in here. And you know you're going to have something healthy, good for you. So every time you think about what you're eating, look at all the colors. Okay, colors are good. Cabbage is really good for you. Carrots are really good for you. And so we're going to work with that. Okay. Now, one thing I didn't put in here in my seasoning is a little salt. I'm just going to throw a little salt in here. Just a little bit. Give it another stir. Now, this has to go in the refrigerator for at least 3 or 4 hours. So you will not see me really tasting this, because, you're not going to really see me tasting it. Maybe tomorrow I'll finish this up with a taste, but this got to go in the refrigerator. So I just want to show you guys how to do this. Stick it in the refrigerator at a minimum 4 hours. If not, overnight. Look at that. That looks good. This is not coleslaw mix. This is just coleslaw for real. I'm going to mix it all up nicely. Get it all coated. And I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator until it gets right. And as you stick it in the refrigerator, all the juices will release from the cabbage and this sauce I just made for this coleslaw. And it'll melt together and it will be delicious. Yep, delicious. So I can't wait to actually taste it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to stop here and I'll bring you back later on and I'll show you what it looks like. But this is the coleslaw, okay? And I'll put it in the refrigerator and we'll be back later. Okay, thank you, people. See you later. Hey, everybody. I'm back, and my coleslaw has been in the refrigerator about 3 hours. Hasn't been as long as I'd like it, but I I just wanted to end this video, show you guys what it tastes like. If you can actually see this, if you can see that, you see how juicy it looks in there. Oh, and what I did, I want to stir it up. What you want to do when it comes out the refrigerator, stir it up, because you see the juices are releasing. So you just want to stir it up good before you take it out of there. And it'll be even better tomorrow, of course I'm going to have some today, but it'll be better tomorrow. So let me give you guys a taste. Let me show you what it tastes like. Put it in this little bowl right there. I'm not even going to put a lot because I'm going to eat some later. You see this? It's great. Now, we have a taste. This stuff is good. Good, healthy. Yes, I'm liking it. I will continue to eat, but I gotta say goodbye. Okay? This is my coleslaw. Everybody, please keep subscribing. Please keep watching. I love you all. Thank you and have a good evening. Bye-bye.